American Indian Dog is an indigenous dog breed with a fascinating history. It is believed to be one of the oldest and most ancient breeds, tracing its origins back thousands of years to the indigenous peoples of North America. American Indian dogs are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and strong bond with their human families. They are versatile and excel in various roles, including therapy work, search and rescue, and obedience training. While they can be reserved with strangers, they are typically affectionate and gentle with their